colors. So I got screen recorder back, and look! Oh my god, this is a beautiful. Right, 1 sec. I am going to cry. My friend made a video, and it's beautiful. It's about in real life, and if you don't get it, I'll explain it to you. Wait, what's your name? Beautiful. Jackson, it's just a bug. That's my friend's kind of friend, Scarlett. She's from school. And here is Jackson, person I do not like. Yeah, it's quite annoying. Jackson, but it's gonna kill me. And there's a cockroach. Bro, it's a little cockroach. And that's what this is what we are complaining about to him. Why are you scared of a tiny bug? Like, what the hell? Anyway, here's me and Milla. You know, I am little gotcha bird, whatever you want to call her. Yeah, I look stunning, beautiful, and also her shoes. I love this animation. I'm a tri-styler. That's my name. And then it's just beautiful. I can't pause it in time, but it's beautiful. Lol, why am I laughing? But it's beautiful. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Oh, sometimes, yeah, please ignore that the cockroach is fine. It's okay. Alright, beautiful. Anyway, I just need to talk about that. What's up? Alright, there we go. I got a new screen recorder and also a new drawing. So, here's Gacha life. That's normal. Oh my god. First, my voice sounds weird, but it's just I'm using a different app. Don't mind that. Here's my character, my brand new character. I try to recreate my friend's character because we're doing basically, I copy her but different. I got her consent so she knows. Just so you know I'm not copying her without her permission. Yeah. And here are my new characters. Here are my old characters that I made. So here, oh my god, I need to explain. It's my old character. I made it into a new one. And she used to look like this, but just she didn't have this. And she didn't have detailed eyes, and she didn't have like a hoodie and stuff. You get it. And then here's the two foxes. This is Clipper, or you call her Clipper, and here's Baby. She is her sister. I sound cringe for making my voice, I know. Yeah. And also detailed eyes, trying to make it. Here's one of my old characters as well. Blue, not really that good. Here's Glitch, new Glitch. I decided to make her my younger sister. And she basically is like the kid, well, this is like the teen. I don't know how to explain. Here is one of my other new characters. And obviously, she is an adult. I tried to make her. And here is my in real life self. This matches very well because I was wearing black in the vid. I don't know how she just guessed that. And sorry for background noises. I'm just so excited. I'm walking around, wasting my energy. And also, boom, I got Insta Paint back. So my iPad is basically working. But I don't have Roblox yet. Hopefully I can get it back. I sorted out the thing. here it is. Saying, don't worry about that. Don't. I was trying to do a fan thing and base it out, but then it looked like cringe because I added too much blush. You don't have. And look at my wallpaper, it's beautiful, I know. And I'll show you my lock screen in the next vid. I'm so excited. Anyway, have a good day, great day. This is just describing I'm back on Gacha life.